Good morning, friends. Now we will discuss about the valve timing diagram of engine. Here we consider for the tractor engine's four-stroke cycle. As we know, the valve timing diagram is a diagram of crank rotation on which the time of opening and closing of the inlet and exhaust valve are shown. In this diagram, we will show the opening and closing positions of the inlet and exhaust valve. At the time of engine working operations, we know the top dead center and bottom dead center. The top position is called as the TDC and the bottom position is called as BDC. Theoretically, the intake valve should be open at TDC and closes at BDC. An exact reverse process in exhaust valve that it should open on BDC and close at TDC. So, for the tractor engine's four-stroke cycle, but in practical, this inlet valve open at 5 degree before TDC. This sentence is important. 5 degree before TDC, while it closes 30 degree after BDC. 30 degree after BDC, and the exhaust valve opens. This exhaust valve should open at exit on BDC, but it will open 40 degree before BDC and close at 5 degree after TDC. First of all, we mark our two basic points, that is TDC and second one is BDC at bottom position. This is the top dead center and this is bottom dead center. Now we will start our first stroke, that is the suction stroke. As we know, the suction stroke starts at TDC, but here actually the suction stroke start 5 degree before TDC because the valve inlet valve will open at 5 degree before TDC. So we will draw here the angle 5 degree before 5 degree before BDC, and this point is called as inlet open 5 degree before TDC, and the name we will see here A. This point is called as A, and now this stroke starts at point A and it should be closed at BDC, but in actual this valve will close at 30 degree after BDC. If it is before BDC, then we mark here, but it is actually 30 degree after BDC. That's why we will mark our next angle in this location, that is 30 degree after BDC, and this point is called as inlet close. Inlet valve will close. So our first stroke will start from point A. This point is A. So before TDC, 5 degree before TDC, and it should be closed at BDC here, but the exhaust valve will close at 30 degree after BDC. That's why our whole stroke starting from A to B, this point is called as B, or we will show here this point is B, and this whole stroke is suction stroke. An angle 5 degree plus 180 degree plus 30 degree, and this is from A to B. So this is our first stroke. Then the next stroke is compression stroke. and this compression stroke should start at this point BDC, but the exhaust valve will close at 30 degree after BDC, so the compression stroke will start from this point and it will end at exact position of the TDC. So this is our second stroke, that is compression stroke from B to C, and the angles are 60 degree. We know here 60 degree plus 90 degree plus 60 plus 90, only 60 plus 90, and the stroke is named B to C. Here is the B point, we will show here C point. This point is the C point. Now here the actual starting of the power stroke from the suction at the piston position at TDC, and it should end at this point, that is BDC, but the exhaust valve will open 40 degree before BDC. That's why the power stroke will end before BDC. This point is called at exhaust open. That's why the power stroke is from C to this point is called as D. It should be close here, the power stroke, but due to opening of the exhaust valve, the end of power stroke before BDC, 40 degree before BDC. So this is the power stroke, our third stroke from C to D, and the angles 90 plus 50. Why 50 here? Because the 40 degree before means 90 minus 40, 50, and this 90. And our last stroke will start from this position, that is 40 degree before BDC, and it should be close at this point TDC, but the exhaust valve will close at 5 degree after TDC. That's why we will show here this point is 5 degree after TDC, 5 degree after TDC, and this name is exhaust close. Here is the end of our last stroke, and this is starting from D point to this point, and this point is the last point of this diagram, that is the E. So our last stroke is called as exhaust stroke from D to E. This exhaust stroke start from D and end at E, means the angles 40 plus 180 plus 5, 40 plus 180 plus 5 degree. So this diagram is called as the valve timing diagram. Here we can show the starting of the suction stroke with from point A, this is the A point, and